Imagine a phone so futuristic. It bends reality, literally. A phone so thin, so smart, so powerful, that even Samsung won't tell you everything about it yet. This is the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8, and trust me, there's a lot they didn't want you to know. A new era of foldable design. The Fold 8 doesn't just open up, it transforms. At first glance, it looks impossibly sleek, just 7.5 millimeters thin when folded, making it Samsung's thinnest, lightest, and most precisely engineered foldable yet. But when you unfold it, the magic begins. Samsung's gone with a 1.1 square aspect ratio, creating a perfectly balanced frame for everything, from watching movies to editing videos to writing an email. It's not just symmetry, it's design harmony. And that new Flex titanium hinge? It's practically invisible. The crease, that one thing everyone complained about, is almost gone. Every swipe feels smoother. Every scroll feels cleaner. Every glance feels more futuristic. Reinforced with Armor Aluminum 2.0, covered in Gorilla Glass Victus 3, and precision engineered with aerospace-grade materials, this foldable doesn't just look premium. It feels like the future in your hand. The display that defies reality, Samsung calls it Dynamic AMOLED 2X. We call it visual magic. The 8.0-inch main display unfolds like a window into another world. Bright, bold, and unbelievably smooth at 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate. The 6.5-inch outer display matches that brilliance, offering the same buttery smooth experience when you're on the go, and with up to 3,000 nits of brightness, this phone laughs at sunlight. You can use it anywhere, from a desert afternoon to a neon-lit city street, and it'll shine through effortlessly. But here's the wild part. Samsung's under-display camera 2.0 is now truly invisible. No more black dots, no punch holes, no interruptions. It's like the display itself is alive, seamless, immersive, infinite. Whether you're watching Netflix, sketching your next project, or gaming at 120 frames per second, every pixel feels alive. It's not a phone display anymore. It's a canvas of light, camera, professional power in a fold for years. Foldables had one major weakness, cameras, but the Galaxy Z Fold 8 destroys that limitation. Its 200 nmLP primary sensor captures stunning detail. Every color, every texture, every flicker of light. It's backed by an AI-enhanced quad lens system that adapts to your environment instantly. You get 10x. Optical zoom that stays crystal clear, ultra-wide. Cinematic lens that brings landscapes to life. AI portrait. Mode that rivals DSLR cameras. And Nightography 2.0, which turns pitch darkness into vibrant light. But Samsung didn't stop there. The Fold 8 uses multi-frame AI fusion, merging multiple exposures into one perfect image. You don't just take a photo, you craft one. And the under-display front camera? It's invisible during use, yet ready when you need it, whether it's a video call, selfie, or cinematic vlog. This isn't just a smartphone camera anymore. It's a pocket-sized production studio. Performance that redefines power. At its heart beats the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, Qualcomm's most advanced mobile processor ever, paired with 16GB of DDR5X RAM. It delivers speeds that make even gaming laptops jealous. It's not just fast, it's intelligent. Samsung's integrated AI performance core analyzes your usage in real time, allocating power exactly where it's needed. Opening multiple apps? It adapts instantly. Editing 8K video? It prioritizes GPU and memory flow. Just scrolling social media? It saves power seamlessly. The result? Maximum performance. Minimal energy waste. And with up to 2 TB of internal storage, this device is built for creators, gamers, and professionals who want it all, without compromise. Battery that thinks for you, a powerhouse. Like this deserves an intelligent brain behind its energy. And that's exactly what the 5000 mAh AI battery is. It doesn't just last longer, it learns. The Fold 8 studies your daily routine and automatically manages power. Distribution. If you're binge-watching shows, it shifts resources to display efficiency. If you're editing videos, it prioritizes CPU output. And when it's time to charge, 65W super fast charging gets you from 0 to 80% in under 25 minutes. Wireless charging? Of course. Reverse charging? You got it. Samsung's made sure you stay powered. Always. Who is it really for? Let's be honest, the Galaxy Z Fold 8 isn't made for everyone. It's a $2,100 flagship, crafted for the dreamers, the professionals, and the creators who want everything in one device. It's for those who don't just use technology, they live it. The kind of people who replace 3 devices, phone, tablet, and laptop, with one futuristic foldable. If you're the kind of person who edits 4K videos on the go, runs multiple apps at once, or just wants the best of the best, then the Galaxy Z Fold 8 was built for you. Samsung has reportedly gone all in on titanium armor frame 2.0, making the Fold 8 slimmer, lighter, and stronger than ever before. The hinge mechanism has been redesigned for smoother, silent folds, while the new Flex Infinity display almost eliminates the crease that users complained about in earlier models. This isn't just a visual upgrade, it's structural. Every element feels precision-engineered to make the Fold 8 look and handle like a flagship, not a prototype. And yes, it's expected to be the most dust-resistant foldable Samsung has ever made, finally addressing one of the biggest weaknesses of foldables. Power meets intelligence under the hood lies the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 for Galaxy, a chip that doesn't just boost speed, it learns. With built-in AI optimization, the Fold 8 adapts to how you use it, whether it's multitasking, gaming, or content creation. Pair that with faster LPDDR5X RAM, upgraded cooling, and a bigger 4800 mAh intelligent battery, and you've got a foldable powerhouse that stays cool, lasts longer, and runs smoother than anything before. AI-powered multitasking Samsung's One UI 7 with Galaxy AI transforms how you work across screens. Drag a video call to one side, a Notes app on the other, and still have space for your web browser. All powered by smarter window management and voice-activated shortcuts. The Fold 8's AI even predicts your multitasking patterns, preloading your most used apps before you tap them. It's not just fast, it's anticipatory. Camera and display magic on the outside. Expect a refined triple camera setup with a 200MP main sensor, enhanced night photography, and pro-level video stabilization. On the inside, the 7.8-inch AMOLED 120Hz display delivers unmatched brightness, clarity, and HDR accuracy, perfect for creators and gamers alike. And when folded, the cover display is taller, sharper, and more comfortable for one-hand use. A foldable built for the real world, Samsung knows people don't just want futuristic tech, they want reliable innovation. The Fold 8 is rumored to support IPX8 Plus dust resistance, Wi-Fi 7, UFS 4.1 storage, and even satellite connectivity in select regions. It's built not only for 2025, but for the next era of mobile computing.
The future is folding. Again, the Galaxy Z Fold 8 isn't just another phone in Samsung's lineup. It's a milestone, a symbol of how far foldable technology has come. From the first fold to this masterpiece,
Samsung's journey has been nothing short of revolutionary. And with the Fold 8, they've perfected everything: the design, the hinge, the camera, the performance, and the experience. It's not just about specs anymore. It's about the feeling of holding the future in your hands. Every tap, every fold, every interaction reminds you, this isn't science fiction anymore. It's real. It's here. And it's breathtaking. So ask yourself, are you ready to unfold the next chapter of mobile innovation? Because the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 isn't waiting for the future. It is the future.